Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the light section. Contrast, plus 75. Highlights, minus 50. Shadows, plus 15. Whites, minus 35. Blacks, minus 50. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Temp, minus 15. Tint, minus 15. Vibrance, plus 55. Saturation, plus 20. Open color mix. Red, saturation, minus 90. Luminance, plus 55. Orange. Saturation, minus 80. Luminance, plus 55. Yellow. Hue, minus 50. Saturation, minus 80. Luminance, plus 53. Green. Hue, minus 70. Saturation, minus 90. Luminance, plus 100. Aqua. Saturation, minus 90. Luminance, plus 40. Blue. Saturation, minus 90. Luminance, plus 47. Purple, saturation, minus 90. Luminance, plus 63. Magenta. Saturation, minus 100. Luminance, plus 65. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 215. Saturation, plus 10. Luminance, plus 65. Move to midtones. Luminance, plus 50. Change the highlights. Luminance, plus 50. Blending, plus 80. Balance, plus 30. Open the Effects section. Clarity, minus 25. Vignette, amount, minus 10. Midpoint, plus 30. Roundness, minus 40. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.